The Reading to Learn methodology is a set of carefully designed strategies that enable teachers to integrate skills of reading and writing with their normal curriculum teaching across all years and subject areas. It is based on a clear understanding of the reading process and provides high levels of support for learners through a 6-stage reading and writing process. Reading and writing are very complex tasks, which require recognizing and using patterns of language at 3 levels at the same time. At the level of the whole text, readers must recognize what a text is about and how it is organized so that they recognize what is happening at each step of the text. These understandings give a reader a good idea of what to expect as they read and where they are going when they write. At the level of the sentence, readers must recognize that a sentence only makes sense in relation to the sentences that come before and after it in a text. They must also recognize how words are arranged in phrases within a sentence and the function and meaning of each phrase. At the level of word, readers must recognize what each word means, how letters are arranged in patterns that spell the word, and how a word makes sense in relation to the other words in a sentence and text. To help learners deal with the complexity of the reading process, the Reading to Learn methodology provides a highly supportive 6-stage cycle focused on key texts in learning areas. It starts with the whole text and works down to sentence and word level. With the understanding generated by this intensive process, teachers then support learners as they write texts using the model they have worked with. They thus work through 3 levels again. Preparing for reading. Teachers start by telling students what the text is about and how it unfolds through each step. They then read the text with learners following. Detailed reading and intensive strategies. Teachers paraphrase the meaning of each sentence in sequence. They then use cues to help learners to identify and mark key wordings in the text and elaborate on key meanings and language features of the sentence. Teachers also do intensive exercises on sentence structure, spelling, and phonics from the text. Preparing for writing. Using the knowledge gained from the first 2 stages, teachers prepare learners for writing by referring them to the structure and language patterns of the original text. Joint construction. We support learners to write their own text by using the framework and language patterns of the original text to guide them through the writing process. In the individual rewriting stage, learners rewrite on their own. With stories, they rewrite a story with a similar theme and structure to the original text, with changed characters, settings, and circumstances. With factual texts, they rewrite the same text in more common sense terms using the notes they have developed with the teacher. These intensive processes prepare students for independent writing, writing stories or factual genres on their own.